faith is not a feeling. I don't feel it. I don't see it. I don't feel different. That is not the language of faith. The language of faith is not feel, is know. Faith is a decision, not a feeling. Your greatest battle in this life is called the fight of faith. Faith only and always considers what God said. Jesus preached faith, demonstrated faith, the example of how faith should manifest. Faith is a strong, firm conviction. Feelings, emotions, reason are an enemy of faith. If faith moves mountains, doubt hates them. Faith makes the invisible things visible. Faith is agreeing with what God says. Fear, doubt, is agreeing with what circumstances say. Faith is a decision I stick to. When I operate by faith, I'm making God true. When I operate by feeling, I'm making God a liar.